Let me just make sure we actually live. Yeah, we actually want to make. Yeah, we good. We good. We good. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. You know, we over here. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Yeah. So, guys, today we will make sure you guys check out our website cryptoblack.net. Go and subscribe to the YouTube channel right now, guys. Push that subscribe button right now, guys. Also, guys, I want you guys to go and follow us on all different social media handles. All right, follow us on Twitter, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram. If you're not in the Crypto Black group, then make sure you guys go and follow us on on Facebook inside the Crypto Black group. Give a lot of information inside there, but make sure you guys subscribe to this channel right here because we're giving all the good stuff. But our different social medias like TikTok, Twitter, I'll push out all the different things that I'm buying, especially Twitter. So make sure you follow me over there on Twitter as well, Instagram, and we'll push stuff out there as well. So welcome to 2022, guys. 2022 is starting the year off strong. We're gonna come in and we're going to get everything started. We'll make 2022 better than 2021. 2021 was a great year for crypto. I don't care what nobody say. It was a great year. We reached $3 trillion. I believe we started 2021 with less than $500 million in total market cap. So I'm sorry, $500 billion in total market cap, about 500 billion, I believe. And we went up to $3 trillion. It was a hell of a year, 2021, for crypto. A lot of us made a lot of money. Shout out to everybody there holding right now. But today, man, we're gonna talk about AirBNB. How AirBNB hence is actually going crypto. You know, a lot of people want that crypto, accept that crypto when they, when they rent out their homes or their rooms. DeFi as well. We'll talk about how DeFi is starting the year off strong. If you're not in a DeFi, guys, I'm telling you right now, I don't know what you're doing, but you're just leaving money on the table, especially for all my hodlers out there, all my hodlers. So make sure you guys are, pretty much, making money on your money, you know what I mean, for holding. All right. But yeah, guys, let's jump right into it, man. Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is at 45,800, basically. 45,800. And I told you guys before, I tell you again, over and over again, guys, Bitcoin, we got to stay above 44.1. We had to stay above 44.1. As you guys can see right here, we are pretty much just hovering between 48.2 to about 45,000. Let's see, what's it? Yeah, about 45, 45.2. I said 45,000. 45,000 to about 40, 48. I said about 48.5. So it's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And you guys can see right here, ever since, even back, we're going back here. It's a little push up, but it come right back down. Still won't push above this, this ribbon right here, above this 50-day moving average. Still won't push above that. But guys, we gotta push above this 48, about 48.5. Gotta push above 48.5. But we go below 44.1. We be testing about 42 to 40,000. Over here on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has got to make a decision. And it's not going to be, a small decision push up. It's going to be something like this. Bitcoin going to either push down and go down to 40,000, or it's going to push up and get its butt back above 50. So, we looking out for the fundamentals, looking out for the news and seeing exactly what's going on. But a lot of selling pressure, like I said on Monday, a lot of selling pressure was going on because of China. China pushed Hubei out of there, all the exchanges, because they have the yuan. They just started the CBDC, their own CBDC. They started their digital yuan. China did. So, you have to look at that. A lot of the Asian market is huge in crypto. A lot of people inside the United States think, America big. No, China, Asia market is the largest market in crypto. All right, hands down. So don't get it, misconstrued. All right. But yeah, guys, to me, I think it's a good buy, good accumulation point. Trading is a little tough. You're going to be trading, you're going to be buying right down here about 45.5. You're going to be selling right up here about 48. Right about 48.5, or I say about 48,000. You know what I mean? If you're gonna be trading it, but I wouldn't really trade it at all. I'll be accumulating it and then not looking to really trade because it's gonna make a decision. You know what I mean? And right now we're in no man's land. To where we don't know where it's gonna go. It could push down, and it's gonna push. When it make it move, it's gonna move, but it's gonna be very, very, very soon too. So I'm letting you guys know. It could be within the week. So just to be on top, just to let you guys know about that. But man, let's jump right into it, man. So said Airbnb CEO hints heavily at adding crypto as a payment option. So the travel industry is undergoing change as a result of the health crisis. Airbnb is looking to take things a step further by embracing emerging technologies, but whether that includes crypto payments is unknown at this time. So it says online vacation rental marketplace Airbnb may soon be adding crypto as a payment option. Soon after the new year, CEO Brian Chesky asked Twitter if Airbnb could launch anything in 2022, what would it be? So Chesky whittled down the 4,000 comments to derive to the 6 most common suggestions. Top of the pile was bringing crypto payments to the platform, followed by clear pricing and the introduction of a loyalty program. Without going into specifics, Chesky said that the firm is already working on most of the suggestions. He also pledged to look into those not already being actively worked on. Now, this leaves the door open regarding whether Airbnb crypto payments will happen or not. Then again, some would say that the odds are it will happen given the circumstances facing by travel businesses. So it says over 4,000. Number one, the top suggestion is accepting crypto payments. I know for a fact if I'm renting out my rooms or my house or anything like that, and I want the payment I want to accept, I don't want dirty fiat. I want crypto. Pay me in Bitcoin. And so, you know what I mean? So pay me in Bitcoin, baby. Pay me in Bitcoin. Pay me in ETH. Pay me in BNB. You know what I mean? So, I'd rather take that. Pay me in Bitcoin. That's all I'm gonna say. I'd rather have an asset that appreciate versus a currency that depreciate. You see what I'm saying? So, just pay me in Bitcoin. I'll take that. You know what I mean? People like that guest loyalty program. They can do all of it. You know what I mean? All in one. You know what I mean? More long-term stays and discounts. It depends more on the owner. Better customer service. Already working on most of it. We'll look at the others. Yep. I think Airbnb. I've been using Airbnb for years, so it's pretty easy for me. But I like that. I'm not using my crypto, to pay. But I will accept it. You know what I mean? I will accept crypto. Especially as an owner. So it says how Airbnb responded to the health crisis. The past 2 years or so can be characterized by great uncertainty on a global scale, more so for businesses dependent on the free movement of people. Airbnb will hit particularly hard as it suffered 80% loss of its business soon after lockdown came in. Thanks to some decisive action, including an unwavering top-down message to reframe the crisis as a rebirth opportunity, Airbnb has managed to stabilize the position. He said, I kept indoctrinating the company with, this is our defining moment, and you know what happened? It was our defining moment. It was almost like a rebirth. So, Airbnb accept crypto payments. Said all 3 founders are grounded in design principles that focus on listening to the stated and unstated needs of the customers or web users they serve. With crypto payments being the top suggestion for things to add in 2022, it seems logical that it will happen. What's more, the firm IPO filing reveals is already at least thinking about crypto and even metaverse technologies. This they say is necessary to adapt to the rapidly evolving business landscape. Our future success will also depend on our ability to adapt to emerging technologies such as tokenization, cryptocurrencies, new authentication technologies such as biometrics, distributed ledger and blockchain technologies, artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality, and cloud technologies. The crypto community awaits Chesky's response. Yeah, just imagine, you start having something dope like, on the metaverse, and then all of a sudden, people, you rent your land, you make a deal with Airbnb, you know what I mean? And then you say, okay, cool, Airbnb on my land. So now you don't really have to really promote your land, that you got in the metaverse. You build a nice big house over on the metaverse, and now you got Airbnb You got you Airbnb out and you rent out, a house on your land. You know what I mean? In the metaverse. So these type of things is out there that people can take advantage of, and you don't even worry about promoting it or pushing it that hard. Airbnb do all the work. You know what I mean? So just imagine, like, you on the sandbox and you're laying not too far from Snoop's mansion. He's throwing a big party over there, but somebody got to go over there. You know what I mean? You were still over there at Airbnb. Your avatar got to stay in the Airbnb. You know what I mean? And then you go up on prices, kind of like what they do with the Super Bowl, things like that. So these are things, guys, that I think, that is going to come. It's going to come to the metaverse. These things, I think, it's inevitable that Airbnb is going to accept crypto and also get crypto exposure, because a lot of investors don't want to touch crypto directly, but they will touch it indirectly, right? So, it's already a public traded company, Airbnb is. So people say, you know what? Well, Airbnb is in the crypto. They are accepting Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. You know what? I'll have exposure to Bitcoin. I have exposure to crypto versus investing it directly. You know what I mean? Because some people say, I just don't understand it. You know what I mean? I just, in my local area where I live at, I just asked, everyone in the local group, hey, who's in the Bitcoin, who's in crypto? And a lot of people say, man, these are middle-aged people. A lot of people say, hey, I don't know. I would love to learn. You know what I mean? Things like that. So I think it's pretty dope, man, to where you're able to, a lot of people want to learn about it, and a lot of people want to get into it, and they're going to want to start buying it. And what's going to happen is it's going to blossom. It's going to blossom to where, crypto going to turn to a $5 to $10 trillion industry. You know what I mean? And the metaverse is going to turn to a big, trillions of dollar industry as well. So I think it's gonna be very exciting. You know what I mean? But guys, let's go into DeFi, man. My favorite sector in crypto is DeFi. Anybody know me? It's all about DeFi. It's all about passive income. I love just sitting back, chilling, and collecting passive income. You know what I mean? With DeFi. So it says DeFi starts year strongly. TVL rises by 4%. In the first 5 days of the year, DeFi TVL has risen by roughly 4%, which is roughly $10 billion. If you guys, some people, if you guys watching and you guys inside DCG, you guys know that on one of the calls last week, we talked about this week, we talked about DeFi, and and all the coins is running. All the coins is running is DeFi, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna talk about it down here, but we seen how Curve just went off. You know what I mean? We see how Aave went off. You know what I mean? We seeing how the different DeFi platforms is going off, and Harmony is going off. You know what I mean? So people want to actually take their money. They want to put it in one place and then sit back and chill. You know what I'm saying? But let's go. So it says, towards the end of the year, the total value of assets locked and decentralized finance plunged to around $230 billion. However, since that low, the space has been a steady rise of up to 12% in its TVL, with the first 4 days of this new year accounting for 4% of the rise. An early indication that DeFi started the year strongly. Now, DeFi TVL has already risen by 4% in 2022. According to available data from DeFi-Yama, DeFi's TVL stood at $228.13 billion as of December 11th, but the figure has risen to $245 billion by January 1st, and as of press time, it has risen to $256 billion. This means that the space TVL has gathered over $10 billion within the first 5 days of the year. Per the data, TVL is shared across blockchain networks supporting smart contract features like Ethereum, Terra, Binance, Smart Chain, Avalanche, Solana, Near, Harmony, Harmony One, Ronin, etc. A cursory look at the data will reveal that Ethereum leads with $160.96 billion across 383 protocols, followed by Terra with $19 billion. Terra just passed Binance Smart Chain, guys, to be number 2 in TVL. And Binance Smart Chain is third with $16.57 billion across 265 DeFi protocols. Other notable blockchains with massive TVL include Phantom with $6 billion, while Osmosis recently crossed the $1 billion mark. The remaining balance is shared across other blockchains. The DeFi protocol contributing TVL, Curve Finance, is the leading DeFi protocol, dominating the TVL with over $24 billion, which is roughly 10% of the total market. Curve Finance is a leading DeFi automated market maker that allows users to exchange tokens with low fees. Now, Convex follows Curve closely with $21 billion locked in it, while MakerDAO has $18.28 billion. Maker was always the top dog in DeFi, but Curve, said, listen, we here we go. You know what I mean? Other protocols, the high TVLs, Aave, which I love, Lido, Wrap BTC, and Instadat with 14.62 billion, 12.48 billion, 12.11 billion, and 10.88 billion, respectively. Now, surprisingly, the 7 leading smart contract blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Terra, Avalanche, and Polygon have had a slow start to the year, while other platforms like Chainlink, Algorand, and Near are among the top gainers with a plus 5.3%, plus 3.2%, and a plus 12.6%, respectively. In fact, Fuse is the biggest gainer with 183.6% in the same time frame. Now, I'm telling you right now, guys, once Sunday Swap drop, I'm telling you, you're going to see so much money going to Cardano, it's not even going to be funny. So I'm still accumulating more Cardano. I'm playing the long game here. I'm not playing a get-rich-quick game. I'm playing the long game. Still accumulating Cardano. Still buying more. Still staking it. Still got to delegate it to places so I can get my free airdrop of Sunday Swap when it come out. You know what I mean? So, Sunday Swap tokens. So, I'm not playing. Harmony One still getting. Harmony One is just barely touched the surface. They just starting out. They're starting to build out as well. I've been telling people to buy Harmony One since the summertime. This dollar cost average, what I'm doing. I've been telling people what I'm doing. I've been dollar cost averaging since the summer. Every Sunday, just buy something. Every Sunday, I'm buying it. Boom, 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 boom. Because look what happened. You got things like DeFi Kingdoms going off. And I'm telling you right now, I'm saying it right now at the beginning of the year. So come back to this video, and I said it live right here, January 5th, baby. DeFi Kingdom is going to be the Axie Infinity of 2022. So people that missed out on Axie Infinity, don't miss out on DeFi Kingdom. I'm just letting you know right now how it's set up. With the airdrop coming this month, if you're crazy if you don't got none right now, and you know what I mean, in my opinion, because with the airdrop, and that's why it's running from January the 3rd, I believe, to the 21st, when they're going to take the snapshot. So it's just unless the market just absolutely plunge, it's a no-brainer. It's literally picking money off the ground with DeFi Kingdom, with the heroes, everything like that. So, something to look at. Harmony One as well, the coin, because people need Harmony One. People need one coins in order to buy the jewel token. So you got to get Harmony One first, and then go over there. And DeFi Kingdom took over Viper. Viper was the number one DEX on Harmony One. But now DeFi Kingdom took it, and it's not even close. It's by far. So I'm telling you right now, we've been in it for months, but I'm telling you right now, that's all I'm going to say. You know what I mean? And it's going over the Avalanche. So, guys, you want to be able to, you qualify for the airdrop, you know what I mean, on Avalanche as well. The crystal airdrop, the crystal token airdrop for DeFi Kingdom. So it's a lot of stuff out there, guys, that I want you guys, because if you subscribe to me, I'm going to give you the goods. You know what I mean? I'm going to let you know in the beginning. It's January 5th. The airdrop information is coming out for starting January 3rd. So you guys know, all right? And I told you guys January 3rd about DeFi Kingdom. On Monday, I told you guys. So I told you on the day. On the day, I told you. So, yeah, guys. But besides that, guys, this is the live here, guys. We're going to have an exciting year. Got some good things going on. I've been talking to some, different things. I don't want to say too much. But we want to let the channel grow. The channel going to grow. And a lot of people get a lot of good information this year, as we did last year and as we did year before that, the year before that, and the year before that. We're going to make this year our best year. Guys, take advantage of the opportunity, guys. We've seen a new asset class A lot of new money is coming into crypto, and I want you guys to take advantage of it. All right, guys? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here to go Crypto Black. So like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Like right now. Like. Share and share to all your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next video. Follow me on all my different social media handles too, guys. I'll see you next video. Make sure you stack your sats and chill. We out of here, baby. Peace.